In today's video, I'm going to teach you core data analysis concepts in Google Sheets. We'll move from cleaning and preparing your data to summarizing it with formulas, pivot tables, visualizations, and a few advanced tools that unlock deeper insights. By the end, you'll know how to turn a messy sheet into clear, reliable takeaways. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. We always start with data cleaning and preparation. Before you analyze anything, make sure your dataset is accurate and consistent. Use Find and Replace to fix recurring typos or standardize entries. Trim removes unwanted spaces that can break lookups and comparisons. Data validation rules help prevent errors going forward by restricting what users can enter. Handle missing values deliberately, leave them blank if they truly are unknown, or fill them with a sensible default you can justify. Removing duplicate rows is a quick way to protect the integrity of your results. Next, let's work with formulas and functions. For quick summaries, sum, average, count, max, and min give you fast, trustworthy metrics. When you need conditional logic, it helps you categorize or flag records, while COUNTIF and SUMMARIES calculate totals that meet specific criteria. To bring data together from different ranges or sheets, use VLOOKUP for simple lookups or the more flexible index with match to search by any column and return values from any column. Accurate ranges and consistent keys make these functions shine. To focus on what matters, organize with filtering and sorting. Sort reorders the entire dataset by one or more columns, while filter temporarily hides what you don't need. Filter views let you save multiple perspectives, great for switching between date ranges or departments without changing what others see. For big picture summaries, pivot tables are your powerhouse. Drag fields into rows, columns, values, and filters to reorganize large datasets instantly. You can compare totals, counts, or averages across categories, and when something stands out, double-click a value to drill into the underlying records. Visualization turns numbers into a story. Choose bar or column charts for comparisons, line charts for trends, pie charts for proportions, and scatter plots for relationships. Keep labels clear, axes consistent, and titles concise so your audience gets the message quickly. When you need sophisticated filtering, sorting, grouping, and aggregations in one place, the query function brings SQL-like power into Sheets. It's perfect for complex questions that would otherwise require multiple helper columns. For quick insights, the Explore tool can automatically suggest charts, summaries, and patterns based on your data. Finally, extend Sheets with add-ons like Supermetrics or the Excel Minor Analysis Toolpack for specialized imports and statistical tests. Automate workflows with Google Apps Script, and connect to BigQuery when your data outgrows a single sheet. Practice these concepts step by step, and you'll turn raw data into actionable insight with confidence. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.